Here we are, parked at 12 and 13 concession, where we left off the last segment. Heading in. It was looking like any old regular trail for a little while, and then we came across a fault line. I'll call it, I don't know what you're supposed to call them, but crack in the rock. Now we're getting there. Oh, I can't fix that. That's what I have. But it's a good thing they told us to turn. A bit of a lookout spot here. Yeah. Wow. They got a weird way of putting ladders on this section. Usually you climb over them, but people have made trails around the trail. It's so wet, as you can see. Oh, it's getting better soon. We have a map here, but you knew that, didn't you? Okay, so what's it say? You can go different ways and they're different distances. Main Bruce Trail is in the red, so we're coming up here and we're gonna go somewhere is, oh, we're gonna go now is this, I can't see because the sun's above it. We're gonna go around here to the parking because that's the shuttle point, and then we're gonna do the rest in the next segment. Okay, rough dirt road, bluff areas. And there's our regular map, and that would be here, and we go here and here to the parking, and next segment we'll be going. Now this is very messy and people have gone every which way, and when you find a marker, try to find something identifiable like this stump for one thing. Obviously the markers, don't get yourself so far away from a marker, that's the other side, that you can't find it again. And then the trail becomes obvious and it's not as critical, but you always want to know where that last marker was. Spider webs on the trail, spider webs in the morning between the trees. They will be, you will see, look out, there go the spider webs. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You want to have some tread on your shoes, trekking cross country or boots, and prepare to get muck up to maybe an inch if you watch and find the best ways through. Anytime I hear water, you guys are involved. Nice. Get through this, you can hear some water up ahead. Yeah, we go off trail a little bit here, just because I love water so much, especially when it's running, not so much in the bathtub. Hey, look at the funny mushroom. That's the strangest mushroom I've ever seen. I'd say that's another mushroom probably. Yeah, this is the the Nottawasaga Bluffs. I hope they're not bluffing me. Oh, fly in my ear. Yeah. Oh, we're there now. I'm here at the north end of the next segment, which is starting at the Nottawasaga Bluffs. We come up here to a Bruce Trail parking lot, and I'll be coming out there supposedly, and I get to ride on this really busy road for a little while until I get to the back roads. That's where you come out of the Nottawa Bluffs, I think they call them. And now we head down here. Or Bruce Trail Users Code. The Nottawasaga, not Nottawa. What's down there? Since I could get right up to one, I figured I would film it a bit. In fact, it goes all along here. They're sneaking up on the left, and they're being on the right for ages now. We're getting surrounded, and it could be some nice scenery. Here's some more. Oh, they have entering a turnstile. There's a mark of 1. I guess this doubles up with some other trail of a private place. Devil's Glen Country Club, yes. It's back. Ah. We're talking skiing and whatever else this stuff is for. A huge bridge for a little bit of water. Well, maybe there's more sometimes. Good view, maybe? Now we'll get a little further. You can sure hear it. Oh, there, through the trees, you can see. Well, now we can see some water at Devil's Glen Country Club. We're down the bottom. There's the ski lift. I came down from over there. There's one run up there. Well, there's plenty of runs, but that's one lift. Okay, and then there's another lift up here, and I figured out, even though it didn't have a marker for ages and ages, right there, coming from way over there, nothing in between that I could see. Oh, tricky. Now we got a whole bunch of water. Here's the water we were looking at earlier. Boy, put a dinghy in that and you'll float down the river quick. Splits on an island. We're way up from where we were, where the river, water all was, the rapids. And here's a nice little stream trickling down from on top. Man, those were some steps. And we come out onto this path, which I will appreciate greatly. This is luxury. We are here at the parking lot for this segment's end. Okay, so I came through there last segment and I'm doing a short 5 now. Not too much time left in the day, but if I knock this off, I'm in good shape for the next day. Not sure about being on this side of the guardrail. Don't want to trip. Oh yeah. Hey, haven't seen one of these in operation on Blue Mountains. Here we go. Whee! Oh, my old friend. So we came from way down there, and this stream was a lot wider and swampy, but now it's a nice little stream with a bridge. Everywhere you go. Map 22. Bruce Trail, Blue Mountains. Here to 91. Take a left and just a little bit. There's an entry to Bruce Trail in this parking lot just after it.